So apparently, I've got a lot of video I should have made or upload a long time ago. Based on the promise I made that I'm gonna be making a video and keeping you all update as soon as I'm making any upgrade or I'm trying to fix whatever on my car. I'm making a video of it, but I'm sorry I couldn't do it. And the reason for that is mainly probably because of my job sometimes. I don't have the time to make content. I get home pretty late at night and there won't be much lighting for me to make a video. You get what I'm saying? Or probably it's a bad weather, raining, or temperature is pretty much too hot and it won't really be comfortable making a video. But today I just feel like I have a little bit much time to spare today. Let me just make a video as soon as I can. So today, yeah, I'm gonna be showing you what I've done so far. I've pretty much done everything. I'm gonna say almost everything. I've done the rear diffuser with the F1 brake lighting. I've done my side skirt. I've done all the side skirt basically. The front lip is attached pretty much. I have no reason to be scared about it falling off on the highway because of downfalls or whatever. My side skirt is also fully attached. It took me a long time to get that fixed because I keep drilling in and I'm getting the wrong bolt or the wrong drill or my drill is not that strong, you get what I'm saying? So I had to just take it to the shop and let the professional just do it. Remember, just another day trying to do things ourselves with no prior knowledge. So please don't judge me. I had to take it to the shop and get some help. I'm gonna be taking you guys around and see what I've done so far. My rear spoiler also has been installed, so pretty much we have everything installed. The next thing I'm about to go do is making sure I do some body works. I have some dents on my car around the fender. I've already placed an order for a new fender, so I'm gonna be installing it very soon. And I'm about to do the 10-inch screen for the radio console with a 360-degree panoramic camera. So in the meantime, let me just show you around what I've done so far. As you can see, I have the side skirt. I have that installed. I was supposed to have done the wheels, get it painted to glossy black finish, but because I've been busy, my schedule's been tight. I have no opportunity or no time for me to be like, I want to do the whole day or 24 hours to make it dry without driving my car. And I can't do without driving my car because this is my daily drive. I would definitely have to drive, so I can't just paint it and start driving like that. So I have to wait for like 24 hours to make sure it's very dry so it won't get some debris along the way while driving. But as you can see, this is the rear side skirt. This is the red side skirt and this is the other side skirt. Then we go all the way to the back. As you can see, we have the red diffuser with the red stripe. Also, it's a glossy black finish. As you can see, and we have that. And we go down, you will be able to see the F1 lighting with the grills. It's a carbon fiber finish as well. It's much better at night. I have the side fin, the carbon fiber finish. It makes it look much better, as you can see. If you look at the front lip, they are pretty much fixed, installed, and pretty steady. You see, it's pretty steady right now. So which means I've got nothing to worry about no more. It's been installed and it's all steady. The side skirt are also pretty steady. As you can see. Now I've been driving for a week plus without no issues, which means we're all set. That's just about it. I ain't got too much going on. Just had so much delay trying to make sure I get this installed. And this is the dent I was talking about. So if I change this, I'll be able to align this properly, touch it together. So I'm just waiting on getting my fenders delivered. So I could do that and I could pop out this little door. And it's all gonna be all set. And probably over the week or over the month, I'm gonna get a new front grille bumper right here, the new set. I'm proud. Yeah, and that's it. So don't forget, this is just another day trying to do some things with no prior experience on the car. I know I trust you. You can DIY this shit. Just stay tuned. If you have any question for me, just let me know. You can get that shit fixed. Stay tuned. Stay liquid. Get that shit fixed yourself. DIY that shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what time it is? Peace out.